5, 25 to 6, and we're heading to go pick something special up. I don't really know how to explain this, but today we're going green laning in the Yorkshire Dale. We'll talk a little more about that when we get going, but now we've got to go pack them up, get in the van, get up to Pateley Bridge, and this is going to be an absolutely wild day, folks. Stay with me.
Right then, boys and girls, welcome to JBL Motocross by the look of stuff. Right then folks, you know exactly where we are. I know where we are. We're going, yeah? From Horse to Lake. We're going up the back streets, the back roads.
Yep, that's right, it happened again. This one hurt. I'm not gonna lie, the Cornwall trip hurt, but this one really hurt. Folks, what more can I say? As you could tell from the start, it was gonna be an absolute blast of a video, and what a blast of a day it really was. Don't worry, before I go, and I'll leave you with some footage we did take yesterday, phone footage of stuff we were out. It was a tough day, as in recording wise. I took the GoPro, I only had a small bag. Well, you see, the thing is, we had no to really stick it to the helmet, so as you'll see in one of the drone shots here, I've got a lovely little drone segment, so hang about. Yeah, you can see one of the drone shots. We were trying to put the mount on the helmet with cable ties, and we got it pretty sturdy as well. And yeah, I had the 4K footage. I had the gimbal thing in the thing was working well in the GoPro. And overall, I thought it would be a cracking day. And the day itself was amazing. I'm not going to go on about that because there's no point you sitting here listening to me tell you about how good it was, because it just was a good day. I'm just going to have to leave you with the footage. I really apologise for it. I was going to get out today and film a new series that I'm going to start about biker cafes, and I know you'll like that one. But the GoPro mount is on the helmet of the MX bike from yesterday, so I have no GoPro mount to even go out with today. So this weekend's a bit of a write-off, but I thought, you know what, we did capture some good footage in the drone footage. So yeah, I'm going to share this video anyway, so I hope you enjoy the drone footage, and I really do apologise. I'm going to have to look into update the GoPro, maybe buy some new memory cards, format them, I don't know. But that's 2 trips in a row, it's happened, but we keep on smiling, we keep on going. So enjoy the drone footage, and enjoy the rest of the footage I had from the day. See you later.